Welcome to another beautiful sunny day in Lagos, Nigeria. Yes, welcome to Urban Prime 3. Urban Prime 3 is on Ogombo Road, close to Adesanya estate, and today I'm bringing you a juicy deal that you will love to key into. Today I'm bringing you a juicy deal in the Urban Prime 3 and I know you will love it. Though we have a building unit that we are selling which is almost sold out, but in this estate today I have a landed property with a good return on investment that if you key in now, before the end of this year, you will have a good return on investment. 500 square meter in Urban Prime 3 is selling for 50 million naira. This the same square meter was selling for 30 million naira last year. For our client that key into it last year, they made 20 million naira return on investment. Isn't that a cool money? 250 square meter in this estate is selling for 25 million naira, and also we have 300 square meter selling for 30 million naira. We've started putting infrastructure in place because of our building units. It's almost sold out, like I told you, and you know we are building day in, day out. It's a buy and build property, and if you key in today, it's with instant allocation, no delay in allocating. We allocate on the paper for you and we give you physical allocation too, so you too can start building. You know, you can do Christmas here this December. You can do it because it's a buy and build property. Or else maybe you are looking for investment, you want to buy and keep, and at the end of the day you want to sell. Come next year, if you are doing investments with us, 500 square meter, you'll be selling for 70 million naira. Let me show you what we've done so far in the estates, because one of our clients is already living in this estate. Don't say I tell you. So come and see, come along. You can see, this is it. You can see how beautiful this place is. You can see our building units. It's almost sold out. We have 3-bedroom terraces, series 1 and series 2, and we have apartment too. Selling